Hey guys, welcome back to TKT Cooking, and today we're making cupcakes for Father's Day. First step is to whisk all the dry ingredients in a large bowl and set that aside. Next step is to microwave milk and butter in a heat-proof jug and microwave it for 2 minutes. But don't let your milk bubble or foam, and then after you have microwaved it, put it in an oven to keep it warm. In a different bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk it until it's light and fluffy, and over 30 seconds pour in your sugar. Add a third of your dry ingredients into the egg mixture and whisk it for around 5 to 10 seconds. Then add half of the remaining dry ingredients and do the same step and whisk it for around 5 to 10 seconds. Finally, add all the remaining dry ingredients and give it a good whisk for a bit longer this time, around 5 to 15 seconds until it's all mixed in properly. The batter now will be nice and smooth. Now add your oil, vanilla, and butter and milk mixture into a large bowl. Now add around 3/4 of your batter into the wet ingredients and give it a good whisk until it's nice and creamy and smooth. Now add your wet ingredient batter into the normal batter and give it a good whisk until all of it's combined, and your batter will now be finished. Now you're ready to pour in your batter and pop it into the oven. Time to make the icing. Add your butter into the bowl and beat it until it's light and fluffy. After the butter's light and fluffy, pour half of your icing sugar in and your milk. Mix it until it's all combined. After you have finished mixing it and it's all combined, add the rest of your icing sugar in. Now that the icing is ready to decorate the cupcakes. Another thing you can add is fondant to elevate your decorations on the cupcakes, but this is optional of course. It's time to ice your cupcakes, so you can do any design you want. You can customize it to your likings. Now you can add a bit of sprinkles or anything you want to finish off your cupcakes. Here is the final product. I hope you enjoyed these with your dads. Bye! Thank you for watching and please subscribe.